Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Urban Dunia. I'm Tim Blight, this time coming to you from Narita Airport in Japan. Narita is Tokyo's main international airport and it's about 60 kilometers from the city center of Tokyo, which means that getting to the city center requires a bit of planning. Tokyo's two airports are Narita and Haneda. Haneda is closer to the city and receives mostly domestic flights and a handful of premium international flights, while the newer Narita Airport receives the majority of international operations. Because of the distance, a taxi from Narita to downtown Tokyo will cost $200 to $300. Some hotels offer shuttle buses from Narita, but the lion's share of passengers take the Narita Express, also known as NEX. Although it's not officially a bullet train, it does travel at high speed, up to 130 kilometers per hour in some sections. The Narita Express is very well designed. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for weary passengers who have just stepped off a long-haul flight. Tickets can be bought from a machine or a ticket booth and cost 3,000 yen or $30 to downtown Tokyo. Attendants have flashcards in several languages to guide you through the process. Trains depart Narita for 3 different destinations in the Tokyo metropolitan area. Trains to Omiya and Takao are useful if you're heading to Shinjuku or Shibuya, while trains for Ofuna pass through Yokohama City. All trains stop at Tokyo Central, as well as the bullet train hub of Shinagawa. Station signage is clear in both Japanese and English. Narita Express trains have lots of space for luggage, both above the seats and at the end of the carriages, and seating is reserved. Inside the train is a quiet environment, and it's not good form to talk loudly in the main seating cabin. Move to the carriage vestibule if you need to take a phone call. Information boards on the train list the next stop in English, Japanese, Korean, and Mandarin Chinese. A map shows the train's progress, while as you approach a station, the screen displays transfer information for the Shinkansen bullet trains and local metro services. Often an NEX train has 2 destinations, and on arrival at Tokyo Central Station, the train will be split, with the 2 halves of the train carrying on to separate destinations. This is why it's important to sit in your allocated seat, because your destination will determine which carriage you're seated in. Splitting, or on the return journey joining the trains, takes only 3 to 4 minutes. The journey from Narita to Tokyo takes about 50 minutes. The trip to Shinjuku takes an additional 20 minutes or an additional 30 minutes for Yokohama. And that's all from Urban Dunia for this time. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and tune in again next time.